Russian delegation, representatives in Hungary, representatives of the British High Commission. Ladies and gentlemen, and all Ugandans who are watching us, this is the third provision of the vows. Total registered voters 15,103,603. Total number of polling stations 34,684. Total number of polling stations received so far 10,212, representing 29.44% of the total polling station. These are the statistics. Amuriat Sokoy Patrick, 102,768 votes, which amounts to 3.55% of the valid votes cast. So far, out of that figure we have received. Favorita Tiza Joseph, 18,069, representing 0.62%. Alembe Nancy Linda, 14,759, representing 0.51%. Katumba John, 10,861, which amounts to 0.37%. Yagulanyi Bentham Robert, 821,874, representing 28.36%. Mao Nobat, 23,666, Ayambara Wile, 60,281, which amounts to 0.2%. Ishamun Greg, 20,260, amounting to 0.71%. Moise Fred, 90,075, amounting to 0.31%. Mukunde Henry Kakuru, 17,530, amounting to 0.60%. Yoweri Museveni Tibuhaburwa Kabuta, 1,852,263, representing 63.92%. Valid vote 2,897,596. Valid vote 126,116, which amounts to 4.17% of total votes. Total votes so far 3,023,711, representing 16.70% of the registered voters. Spoiled votes 7,655. I wish to emphasize these accumulative results. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen.